Theme of today's practical is determination of Venn islet number. Requirements. We need compound microscope. We need stage micrometer, camera lucida, black paper and pencil. So this is eyepiece. We have to remove the eyepiece first and then we have to insert this camera lucida. Camera lucida is having three parts. This is attaching ring, this is prism, this is mirror. As shown into this diagram, we can see here with the help of attaching ring, we have attached this camera lucida, and this prism should be parallel to the eyepiece, but it should touch to the eyepiece. As we can see the gap between eyepiece and prism, this gap should not be there. It should touch completely to the eyepiece. And we need to keep the stage micrometer. Stage micrometer is having a scale of 1 millimeter. So that we need to place here on the stage. Here we can see stage micrometer, a circle and scale in this circle, black paper and pencil. So the rays goes from stage to the prism, and in prism horizontally it is reflected on a mirror and then it falls on the paper, whereby we can see when we are observing through this eyepiece or the hole which is on the prism of the camera lucida, we can see the thing which is placed on a stage and the microscope and the paper which is kept on a platform. So there will be a superimposing of the mirror which is placed on a stage of the microscope. So when islet number, it's a number of islet present in per square mm. So islet means a closed structure. So from midrib to margin in the lamina portion in 1 square mm, number of Venn islet present, that is the Venn islet number of a leaf. So with the help of stage micrometer, we will draw a square of 1 mm. If we are not able to see the complete 1 mm, then we can go for the half, that is 0.5. And if it is not half, you are able to see in a one view, then we can go for the half of 0.5, that is 0.25 mm. But the smaller the square you go, more the mistakes, the chances of mistakes can be repeated, because to convert 0.5 mm into 1 square mm, we need to multiply by 4, and to convert 0.25 mm into 1 square mm, we have to multiply by 16. So if we are not able to identify a single or a islet which is not actually islet, but we consider it as a Venn islet, so one mistake will be repeated 4 times in case of 0.5 mm, and the same mistake will be repeated 16 times if the square is of 0.25. So one mistake will be 16 times repeated in this 0.25. So we should either go for 1 square mm or we can go for the 0.5 mm. So the bigger the square, the less will be the errors or mistakes. So we have to take a leaf and put the leaf into chloral hydrate solution. This chloral hydrate solution removes the chlorophyll pigments and the veins will get exposed. So we have to boil this, boil the leaf into chloral hydrate solution for some time. And after that, we have to take on a slide and put glycerin to avoid drying, and we can observe under microscope. So it will look like this, and this is the view under through eyepiece. I can see like this, and this is a drawing you can see in 1 square mm. So I have drawn this structure, whatever the veins I used to see. I have seen that observe under a microscope, that is here. With the help of white pencil, I can draw it on a black paper. So here you can see that this is the islet. Now, if I see this is a closed islet, as I mentioned, it is a closed structure. So if we see the vein, but this vein is not attached to any other place, so it is not closed, it is open here. So this is the one islet. Then this is again open. If we consider second, this is the closed structure. This vein is not touched anywhere. It's just here. It's terminated here. So this is second islet. But in case of third, this structure is closed structure. So this is third islet. Fourth is again closed. Fifth is also closed. Here in case of 6, we can see that this vein is not touching here anywhere, right? So this complete structure is the 6th islet. And likewise, we will be counting. So there are total 20 islets present in this leaf. So the vein islet number of this leaf is 20. If we take a 0.5 mm, if we get a 6 vein islet, so if we are multiplying by 4, it will be 24 islets. And if it is in 0.25, if we are getting 2 islets, then multiplying by 16, so 32 islets will be there. So by this way, we are determining the vein islet number. Thank you.